Arabia. On the occasion of the 93rd National Day of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, I would like to convey warm greetings and felicitations to the people of Saudi Arabia. As we all know, India deeply values and cherishes our historical, culture and strategic partnership with Saudi Arabia. We were honored to welcome His Royal Highness Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, the Crown Prince and Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia, for a state visit to our country earlier this month. India-Saudi relations have deepened under the visionary leadership of our great nations. The Strategic Partnership Council, under the direction of Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, and His Royal Highness Crown Prince and Prime Minister, has served to advance ties between our countries across all domains of bilateral cooperation, political, security, economic, social, cultural, and people-to-people ties. We are now deepening our cooperation in the fields of energy, digital technology, connectivity, trade, and investment. Our shared cultural experiences, economic synergies, and common quest for a peaceful and sustainable work make us natural partners. We thank Saudi Arabia for its support for India's G20 presidency under the theme of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, One Earth, One Family, One Future. More than 2.4 million strong Indian diaspora in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is a living bridge between both our nations and has contributed to the kingdom's economic development. Saudi Arabia has embraced Indian expatriates and given them a healthy space to flourish